Hi guys, hi YouTube, this is Soft Mimar here and welcome to the product Aura. So this is the members area of Aura, and inside this video I will show you the product. I will be also giving you big value bonus, huge bonus pack will be given to you with this product totally free from this website. Once you have just clicked the video description link, any link you can click and you can check out the product description and also the price. This costs only 22 bucks and you can click on the button to get access to the product and you can purchase the product with my bonuses. So let me show you the product. This is an all-in-one product. I am repeating that this is an all-in-one product, and anything you can do, like anything you can do inside this product. Let me show you from the beginning. So the first thing is it is a good thing that the training is given in the top section, not in the bottom. Like after using all of the product, you just come to know that the training was given. The training is given previously, but the thing is, training is given in the top section. You can check out the training, and it is taking some time to open. I don't know, maybe my internet is slow, but my internet is not slow. I don't know why it is taking time. So inside the training section, every training is given. Each and every training is very detailedly discussed. And the thing is, this is the import account, like your Facebook account. You can import your Facebook account and just turn on the connection, turn on the bot connection to get the bot feature. Okay, it is still going on. So the bot feature has been activated. You have to integrate your Facebook account as I am doing. So the next thing is connectivity setting. You can use the Google API key or the Facebook Pixel to know the progress, to know the clicks, to track your clicks and something like that. Okay, so the next thing is search for deal. You can search deals from Zvizu, you can search deals from Warrior Plus and ClickBank, the top 3 platforms in the world of affiliate marketing. You can make money online stuffs inside this tool. So many make money online stuffs, like the video creation, new video creation. Like let me show you some advertisement you can create. A separate editor is given for the videos, short videos and ad videos, advertisement videos. So the tutorial has come. So this is a detailed tutorial. As you can see, for each and every options, every tutorial is given. And also this is the video section. Inside the video section you can just change anything you want. Everything is pretty much customizable. And also the thing is, very good thing is that the video looks very premium. Okay, so these are the options. Each and every options are given and you can do any editing stuff. Okay, so you can also change the text and something like that. So the next thing is Social Blast. This is a very crazy feature of this tool. So inside the Social Blast you can do just social blast within just one click. Like 500 plus social media handles is given. So I don't think that 500 plus, but it is like if I start counting it, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 20, like 100 plus social media features are given, social media handles are given. Once you have purchased the tool, you need to integrate your account, and then you can do the thing within just one click. Just one click you can get the free traffic blast from the social media handles, from your social media handles. So the next thing is Social Poster. So inside the Social Poster you can create multimedia post, call to action post, or carousel video post. Or this is a subscriber manager, like your email subscriber or the bot subscriber. Mainly this is for bot subscriber and SMS subscriber or email subscriber. So the next thing is the messenger bot. You can do the messenger template, you can use the reply template. And the next thing is email marketing. Pretty much similar like affiliate marketing stuffs are given. And also email marketing is a broad section within itself. It is a very vast section. And also SMS marketing is given, e-commerce store is given. Let me show you the e-commerce stores. And this is your e-commerce stores. Okay, once you have just created, you can click on this visit store button to see your store, to watch your store, how it is going on, and the tracking feature is also given, also the backlinking feature given, and also some utility stuffs are given, utility tools. So backlinking is a very needy thing these days to do the SEO and SEM for your website. So these are the utility tools, the URL shortener, the website comparison, so you don't need to pay other URL shorteners like click.org, like ClickMagick. This is previously given inside it, and auto content, and also WooCommerce website, WooCommerce integration, like the Amazon websites. You can create that kind of websites inside WooCommerce using WooCommerce. So that was the tool. Now let me show you the launching date, 7th of May, 11 a.m. EST, the nice and beautiful morning of New York, the 11 a.m. EST. The product will be launching the morning of New York, 11 a.m. and the surprising thing is 365 days no satisfaction money guarantee, because they know that you will be satisfied with this tool. This tool is a massive, and also these are the descriptions about this tool. You can check out before purchasing it. I don't want to explain and make the video more and more lengthy, so very big description. You can check out the live video also, and this is my word about this tool. And these are the sales funnel, sorry, this is the sales funnel. The product only cost $22, and I am really surprised, really amazed to see this kind of product. I have never seen for $22 this kind of features. Okay, so these are the sales funnel, and this is my bonus. The best possible bonus from my side I have given to you, like the free bonus from my side. You can ask me anything inside Make Money Online niche, inside my Facebook Shopify page. I will be obviously answering you. So the software pack, the main software pack, I am collecting for 10 months or maybe 1 year. I don't know exactly. I think near about 1 year I am working inside affiliate marketing field, and I have been collecting this kind of stuff. This kind of software will be given to you totally free with the front-end product, 50 plus software with the front-end product. And if you purchase the upsell, you will be given 300 plus bonuses, like as mega bonuses, like the PLR product, like the more software, 200 plus software, and also the image pack, near about 200 software, image pack, music tracks, loop music tracks, and also the doodle character image pack. Okay, so that will be given to you if you purchase the upsell. So along the front-end product, if you purchase upsell, you will be given 350 stuffs, and this was a bonus. So you can check out the product by clicking on this button. Then you can check out your bonus by clicking on access affiliate bonus inside your purchase history option. That was the product, that was Aura, and that was the bonuses. So I am signing out for this video. I am wrapping up the video. Bye bye.